Papa. The work is done. The sweets are sold. Why are they still talking?
Because finishing work is not the end. It is important to learn from the same.
Welcome to Concept Playground, where complex ideas are playfully explained. Imagine our sweet shop during the closing time. No customers, no rush, just the team sitting together. This is the quiet moment where improvement really begins. In Scrum, this moment is called a sprint retrospective. It happens as the sprint ends, and the goal is very simple. We need to look back, we need to learn, and we need to improve our way of working. A retrospective is not about a blame meeting, it's not a complaint session, it's not about pointing fingers. It's about the process, it's not about the people. In our sweet shop example, the team might talk within themselves. What slowed us down today? What worked really well? What can we do better tomorrow? These small improvements every day makes a very big difference over time. Without a proper retrospective, team keeps doing the same mistake, problem stays hidden, and the growth stops. Retrospective turn our experience into learning. So remember this, guys. The sprint retrospective is all about how we are improving our work. It's not about who to blame. If this explanation helped you, like my video, subscribe to my channel, and comment below what do you want to learn next in my videos.
So talking about mistakes helps us do better next time?
Exactly.
Thank you, Papa.